Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I will be doing a 613 and I think a number 27 pixie cut. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna let you guys know, I did not like the hair that my client brought, but Alicia handled it and made the best of it. So I hope you guys stick around till the end to see how it came out, because the hair that I was using was not it, but I think it came out cute. So you guys stick around. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you're not, and I'll be back to talk to you guys. Now I'd like to say happy holidays to all the handlers. And if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is tutorials, how-tos, unboxings, which I haven't done in a while. Anything that has to do with beauty, you're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, hit that subscribe button and join the squad. And I always say we'll love on you over here. Now, I really don't want to talk too much. I just want you guys to pay close attention, because I can show you better than I can tell you. That is how I learned. I know some people are, different kind of learners, but I know for a fact that I'm a visual learner. So I hope most of you guys are. And just pay close attention, like I always say, and I hope you can take away whatever you can from the video and add it to your own technique. So watch carefully as I handle this situation. The problem is, what I didn't like is that I usually use the 27 pieces, but my model brought, I want to say that's the doobie hair. So it's like the very long pieces, which if you want a tight shortcut, I don't recommend that. I recommend you try your best to get 27 pieces, not 29, not 28. It has to be 27 for you to get those really nice short pieces that you need to make your cut and your style of your quick weave really tight. So now it's time for cutting class. I know the way I cut is not traditional, but I always accomplish what I'm looking for. The reason why I cut like this is because I came up with my own technique from all the different techniques that I've collected through the years. And in my brain, this is how and what I have arrived with, and it's so easy for me. I like it because it gives me the wispy look that I'm looking for. And before this razor thing even came out, I was cutting like that, so I was getting the look that I needed that the razor can give you. So I know most people are not used to the way I'm cutting. They say, oh, well, your cutting's all over the place, but it makes sense to me, and I hope you can take something away from it that makes sense to you. I'm only showing what I do. I'm not really, trying to tell you this is how it's done. I'm still learning. I learn new things every day. So I hope you guys can take away something from this video and add it to your own technique. I mean, that's what I've done through the years, and that's what I suggest to anyone that's inspiring to be in the hair business. So we're basically at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. If you want to know how to do a quick weave, full tutorial, beginner friendly, I will drop a video right down below, so worry not. And remember guys, I have this raffle going on. You can leave a super thanks to join, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all, and thank you guys for all the new subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!